Him in 911?
Yeah, he's trying to get in my back door again.
Who is?
945 Tennessee.
Okay, who is?
But this is Ryan, I guess.
Ryan, this is a boyfriend, a friend?
No. I've been having a lot of problems with him. Please.
Okay, they're going to be on their way. Okay, did he come in a car?
I don't know. He's trying to get my back door.
Okay. Has he been talking to you, or how do you know it's him?
No,
did you see him?
No, I don't. Somebody's trying to get my back door.
Okay, I want you to stand along with me, and till the police get there in case anything happens.
He's in the back door.
He's at the back door. I get it. They're going to be on the way. I just want to stay on the phone with you until the officers get there, okay?
Okay.
What kind of car does he drive, or does he drive?
Ford Explorer, dark blue.
Okay. And is he pounding on the door, or what is he?
Yes, he's trying to get in.
What does he look like?
I don't know. Well, he's got a goatee.
Is he white, black, Hispanic?
He's white. He's trying to get in my door.
Okay, where are you at in the house?
I'm in the living room.
Okay, can you get into a room with a lock on it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, do you have a cordless phone?
Do I have a cordless? Yes, I do.
Okay, try to get into a bedroom or a bathroom or somewhere with a lock on it, okay? Okay, that way, in case anything happens.
He's in the back. He's not in the front. He's in the back.
Okay. Did you see what he was wearing at all?
No, I can't see nothing. I put something over the window so he couldn't see in.
And are you going to a bedroom, or where are you going?
Yes, I'm in the bedroom.
Okay, I want to tell you when it's safe to come out, okay? Hang on one second. I want to let you know where the officers are. Does he normally park in front or in the back?
He broke through the window again.
He broke through the window. Is he in the house?
Yes, I think he is.
And you're still locked in the bedroom, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What? He broke the window. He's in the house now.
Does he normally carry any weapons at all?
I got one today.
You got one what?
I got a weapon today.
Okay. A gun? You have it? And is it in the room with you?
Yes.
Okay. Where is the gun actually? Is it locked up or is it in your hand?
No, it's in my hand.
Okay.
Let him know she's got a gun in her hand in her room.
Do you hear him in the house?
Yes.
Okay. Where's he at?
He's downstairs.
He's downstairs. Okay. And I take it, and if you're in the bedroom, that means you're upstairs?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I have several officers on the way.
Okay. Please.
Yeah, they're coming.
911.
Is anybody with him? Did you hear anybody else?
No.
No? Okay. Does he know you're there?
Evidently. Or no, he might not. I don't have my vehicle here. He slashed my tires the other day.
Okay, and that door is locked, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're making sure.
Alex? Alex?
What?
Is his last name Bergner?
Alex?
Hello?
He's trying to get in the house.
She put the phone down.
Yes, now. I am. I'm on the other phone. I'm sorry.
Yeah, they're already on the way.
I'm so scared.
Yeah, I know. It feels like forever. It's only been 2 minutes. Is his last name Bergner?
Yes.
Yes, his last name is Bergner.
I'm going to shoot. I heard him turn the light on.
Okay, just calm down, okay? We don't want to do anything too rash. I mean, he may not even know you're in there. Okay. And he's in front of your door there, or what light did he turn on?
Oh, light.
Okay.
He's in the door now.
He's turning her door. Okay. Is that him I hear?
Yep.
Okay, is there anything you can
What
put...
are you doing? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Okay, who's in the room with her? Yes.
Jolie,
Screaming.
are you asleep?
Stop it! Stop it! Please stop it! Just stop it!
Okay, they're almost there. They're almost there. If he...
Oh my God!
Okay. Okay. Is he still there? Where did he go?
Oh my God!
Rivalé.